morning student. Today we will read use of the shall. Dear student, in our previous video we have learnt about the introduction of the modal, and today we will read use of the shall. Shall is used to express the future shall is used to express the future when subject is I or we. When subject is I or we, यानी शैल का यूज हम फ्यूचर टेंस में सब्जेक्ट आई और वी के साथ करते हैं. I will see by the example. I shall be 20. I shall be 20 next month. In second example is if we walk fast. If we walk fast. If we walk fast, we shall catch the train. We shall catch the train. Dear student, I shall be 20 next month. It do not the time of the future. So here shall be used with the subject of subject I. In second example, if we walk fast, we shall catch the train. It also denotes the future time. This is the A part, the use of the shall. Now we will discuss on the B. There are some different role to use of the shall. Shall is used to express command. Shall is used to express command. Shall is used to express command. Compulsion. Shall is used to express command. Compulsion. Threat. Compulsory. Promise. Certainty. certainty, etc. for the second and third person, for the second and third person, as we see by example. Dear student, the various rule to use of the shall. In first rules, we have seen that shall is used to express the future when the subject I and we are used, as we have seen in example first and second. The second condition, shall is used to express command, compulsion, threat, compulsory, promise, certainty, etc. etc. For the second and third person's pronoun or subject, we will see by the example, he shall carry out my order. He shall carry out my order. Carry out my order. Command. He shall carry out my order. This sentence show the command. And second, if you run fast, you shall catch the train. If you run fast, you shall catch the train. It's so the certainty. And third example, you shall be fined if you do not pay your school fees in time. You shall be fined. You shall be fined. You shall be fined if you do not pay. If you do not pay if you do not pay your school fees in time. Your school fee in time. You shall be fined if you do not pay your school fees in time. It denotes to threat. And in fourth example, when shall is used, if you win the match, if you win the match, if you win the match, you shall have a holiday. You shall have a holiday. Holiday. This shows the promise. Now will we read some different rules the use of shall. When shall is used as when shall is used as shall I, it has two meanings. It has two meanings. It has two meanings. First, to seek advice. To seek advice. Counsel. Counsel from each other. When shall is used as shall I, it has two meanings. It means to seek advice या counseling from each other. We will see. By example, my scooter is old. My scooter is old. Aditi, my scooter is old. Aditi, shall I sell it? Shall I sell it? It is used for the taking advice in this sentence. So shall is used here. In second example, shall we also means proposal. Shall we means shall we also means shall we also means shall me also means proposal. also means proposal. And so, in the example, shall we play cricket? Shall we play cricket? Shall we play cricket? This show the various rules of the use of shall. Now we will read a different rule for the use of shall in our next rule. D. When shall is used with the first person, when shall is used with the first person, first person, IRV, first person. In interrogative sentence, in interrogative sentence, interrogative sentence, interrogative sentences, it expresses an offer, an offer, it expresses an offer or suggestion. When shall is used with the first person, IRV, in the interrogative sentence, it expresses an offer or suggestion. We will try to understand by the example. Shall I bring a cup of tea for you? Shall I bring a cup of tea for you? Shall we? Second example. Shall we sit down and chat here? Shall we sit down and chat here? Look this sentence. It is in the form of the interrogative, but their meaning is expressed here to the get some suggestion or offer. In this way, we have learned that shall is used with I and we with the first person, and shall is there are the different form the use of the shall we have discussion here. Now we will see some example to understand this. In the next rules we will discussion here when shall is used with the third person. When shall is used with third person. Third person. Shall is used with the third person in interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence. When shall is used with the third person in the interrogative sentence, it expresses the speaker's expresses the speaker's command it expresses the speaker's command or wish as we will see. When shall is used with the third person in interrogative sentence. Dear student, have attention here. When shall is used with the third person in interrogative sentence, it expresses the speaker's command or wish, and it is the use for only command or wish. We will see in the example. Shall we take your notes? Shall see check your notes. Shall see check your notes. In second example, shall he give you a gift? Shall he give you a gift? Dear students, shall she take your notes? It's show the command, and shall he give you gift? It also show the wish. So there are the different rules of the shall. How and where shall is used in the sentence, we have learnt here the different rules. We should follow these rules, the use of the shall.